you're anything like me, you probably love to use ChatGPT. It's really become revolutionary. It's one of the best things around. Even my cat loves it. She's here to tell you all about how much she loves it. Because after all, it would be a catastrophe if she couldn't use it, right? Anyway, but seriously, here's the thing though. ChatGPT, as wonderful as it is, to get the most out of it, you need to pay for it. It is not a free service. But you can get something else for free. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming up in my review of DeepSeek AI PLR. Okay, we're looking right now at the sales page for DeepSeek AI PLR. This is from my friend Vikram. Now, this is a new course about, I'm sorry, DeepSeek AI Mastery PLR. So this is all about DeepSeek. Now, DeepSeek, for those who haven't heard of it, is a Chinese app. Now, the nice thing about DeepSeek, though, is that it is, first of all, completely free. They do not charge you to use it. And second of all, it is open source. What does that mean, open source? That means that anybody can edit it any way they like. You do not have to actually be a, one of the programmers for ChatGPT for OpenAI, be able to edit it. Anybody can take a look at it and change it any way they like, as long as you know how to program, obviously, which makes it an extremely valuable system. Now, of course, this particular course will be showing you exactly what you can do with DeepSeek in order to make real money from it, because after all, that's what we're all here for, right? After all, if we want to be successful entrepreneurs, we do need to make money.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Yes, thank you, Liz. You know, my cat, she agrees with also. That's very nice of me to say, but stay just stay out of my videos, okay? Seriously, seriously. Anyway, so of course, the fact of the matter is that as much as this is an amazing course, and you do get full PLR for just $11.95, the reality is that that would be pretty crappy just on its own. But of course, this is a man-that review, and so I'm going to make sure that you get maximum amounts of stuff. My cat doesn't like that idea. She's going and standing up in front of me and saying, "Hey, you can't give all that stuff away. You have to give it to me." Well, too bad. I'm giving it away anyway. So check this out. Here's the entire list of everything that you're going to be getting. So first of all, of course, how to make custom QR codes. This is a really cool QR code that I made. And it'll actually make a QR code with an image in the background, turn any image into a meme with the power of AI. So I actually took one of my own pictures that I created, and the system instantly created a meme around it. I create instant videos with AI. Now this one is really cool. This is one of my first products. It's called Tube Dominator. This is one of my first high-ticket products. I'm giving you PLR rights to. You can sell, you can give it away, use it as your own bonus. By the way, all of my courses do go with PLR, and you get PLR to DeepSeek AI Mastery as well. I'm going to show you how to create talking heads videos where you can actually take like a video of Elon Musk and have him singing. Really cool stuff. How to create green screens using stuff you already have. I've done this many times. Works really well. Very simple to do. You don't have to have any special equipment or special software in order to make it happen. My exclusive guide to DaVinci Resolve, which is still one of the best courses out, one of the best products out there for editing videos. There are a lot of other ones, but I still prefer DaVinci Resolve. How to find the questions people are asking on Google completely for free. I'm going to show you how to do it. Well, you know that I love to go and have Bart tell us all about crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Or there wasn't an invitation for you to come in and talk to us. Go away. See, my cat's upset with you also. Now, just shoot. Anyway, but seriously, you want to know how I do that, how it's legal, how to do it yourself, I'm going to show you how to do it in this secret course. I'm also going to be giving you, songs, how to create songs from a video. This is a really cool system. And a companion, how to create pop songs in seconds, do it totally for free. I did this myself. This really create some of my favorite, personal favorite songs. We're still not done yet, of course. How about also your very own chatbot trained on your website totally for free? Again, because after all, this is a man in that review. You do not get just a few bonuses, you get an insane number of bonuses. Yes, thank you for that little hat trick. You know, I can do the hat trick also. See, watch this. Look at that. I did it too. You see, no big deal. So go and photobomb somebody else's videos, like my cat is doing to me. But seriously, how about perfect domain names every single time? An AI that suggests a perfect domain name for you. How about how to create the perfect prompts for Midjourney? And finally, and my exclusive guide to selling to places to sell your artwork that you create with Midjourney. All these things do come with PLR rights. You can sell all of my courses, give them away, use them as your own bonuses. Of course, you get the whole thing for $11.95. You even get PLR on the actual product that you're purchasing. Check out the members area real quick here. You can see here, this is very, very comprehensive. It comes with the videos, comes with the audio files, it comes with the raw stuff. Okay, it also comes with an ebook version. It comes with the sales video, with the professionally designed graphics. All that stuff is all there for you to be able to turn around and sell this and make money off of it. Plus, you get 3 additional bonuses: instant profit PLR, you get PLR product rebranding, and you get set up PLR product step-by-step tutorial. So really, really an incredible deal. And again, the whole thing is $11.95. So let's see if I can finally give a tip of my head to the product creator or not.
The man! You're the man! You're the man!
Yeah, seriously, okay, you're the man. This is awesome. And for $11.95, you really can't go wrong. Grab this, you're gonna love it.